Hello everybody, my name is Sierra, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to organize, completely transform a space with little to no budget. And when I say no budget, I literally mean if you have no extra money to spend, I'm going to show you how to use things from around your house to make a space work for you, but not only work for you and look good. Now, when I say that, obviously the things that everybody has lying around their house is going to be different. I'm using what I have. That's kind of the fun of this. I don't want to say challenge, but kind of challenge is you have to be creative, and that's kind of what this is all about. Also, let me preface this by saying organization only works when it's functional. Yes, those pretty Pinterest pictures look awesome, like with all the home edit clear organizers and all that, but here's the thing: if it's not functional, you're not going to be able to keep it that way. So I'm going to show you how to functionally organize your space with little to no budget. My favorite places ever for these kinds of projects are Dollar Tree, Walmart, and I would say Target, but Target's like the very top. Like if that's you're working with a pretty decent budget. Dollar Tree, pretty much Dollar Tree is the biggest place where I get all my organizing products, and then Walmart in second runner up. But the space I'm going to be showing you guys is my my reselling / my gift wrapping closet. It was complete chaos in there. It was just a complete mess. I kind of put it on the back burner because we had family coming and I just had a lot of things going on, so things started piling up. I didn't have systems in place for things to go, so it kind of just exploded. I took this afternoon and just went through everything, made sure everything in there everything in there worked for me, I liked it, and I needed to sell it, you know, that kind of thing. And I'm going to be showing you guys the low to no cost ways that I organized my closet using things that I already had in my house, or like I said, things that were extremely no cost. So I'm really excited to bring this video to you guys, and if you guys want more videos like this in the future, or if you have anything that you guys want to see, please let me know. And let's get right into this video. So my little closet is actually in my workout room. This is the closet that I'm going to be talking about. This is kind of like my reselling / my gift wrapping closet. So when you first open it up, it's gonna look like trash. It is trash. It's a trash holder. Just bear that in mind. I believe in putting a trash can in every single room. That way there is literally no reason why there should be trash on the floor, anything on the floor. So in order to get that done, I have a plastic bag on the door. That way I can just put anything that I very quickly need to throw away. It goes right here and it doesn't go on my floor. Sounds simple, kind of looks a little tacky. I might eventually just put like a command hook right here and put it on the door, but for right now, this works just fine. All right, so when you first open up the doors, this is what you see. And like I said, it is far from perfect, but it's organized. I can find exactly what I need and everything is labeled. And that is the most important thing. Some people don't like labels on all of their things. Me personally, I prefer there to be a label so I can just kind of scan my eyes to see what I'm finding. But I'm going to give you guys a quick overview, and then I'm going to go into detail about what everything is and where everything is. So to start right here, this is all of my shippers. So I have my large shippers right here, and these are the ones that I get from Amazon from purchasing things. I save them and I reuse them for reselling because it's a free bag that you can use that you're just going to throw away anyway. And instead of having to buy a bunch of bags, I get them for free. Now you're probably wondering why I have so many. My mom graciously gave me like literally this entire collection. All the ones that aren't Amazon, my mom gave me. So shout out to my mom for that. That saved me so much money. It was awesome. So anyway, I've got some nice clear ones here as well. Below I have medium-sized ones, and then in the bottom I have this kind of dingy looking bin, but it's holding all of these little bubble mailer kinds. I have some more small ones right there, and then as you can see, I used some, I think this is called like masking tape, but it's that kind of like thin tape. I'm not sure what it's actually supposed to be used for, but I used it to label each and every one of my containers for the size of the bag. My entire thing about labeling is if I'm not home and I need my husband to do something for me, I want him to be able to go into a space and see, and if I ask him, okay, I need you to grab a medium label or a medium shipper and this specific shirt, he can go, okay, I'm going in here, I see the medium, you know what I mean? This little carton, I got this from my mom. This is what she gave me all of the labelers in, and instead of throwing it away, this is my to hang. So as you can see right here, this is another system. I don't have it labeled, obviously, because there's no need for a label for this, but every single shirt that I'm selling or reselling, I have hung up here. That way I can easily find it when the time comes for it to sell. Then down here, I have to list. These are all the clothes that I still need to take pictures of and then put in my to hang basket. So behind here, I have my ring light. I use this when I take pictures. And then up here, this is not labeled, but this is just plastic bags. You never know when you need one. They're nice to keep in here. I have small boxes. So these are all like a bunch of small, basically Amazon boxes. I keep them there for gift wrapping purposes. I like to put things in a box and then wrap the box. I feel like that makes it look better for presentation. And then we have 2 things of packing materials. I ran out of space, I said mats, but there's that. And then I have, this is supposed to be taped down so you can actually see what this says, but these are all my Amazon bubble mailers. Ones that I've saved from packages that I've got. All right, moving on along, I have a 6 cube organizer right here. These 2 pairs of shoes are for sale. I have a shoe area, which I'm about to show you, but they don't fit. So down here we have swimwear, so basically anything swim that I'm selling. This is all selling stuff, by the way. I have my jeans, I have my shorts. This is really my pants, but I started writing shorts and I couldn't go back and I was too lazy to change it. So shorts, sweatpants, and then coats, and then shoes. So, like I said, I want my husband to be, if I had to, be like, hey, can you ship this up for me? He can literally, all he has to come in here and be like, okay, she needed the light wash jeans or whatever, you know, take these out. Next to that, I have all of my wrapping paper. Let's see, 99%, like, except for these 2, everything else was thrifted, wrapping paper-wise. This one's seen better days because I've used it a ton, but all of these were thrifted, and I'm pretty proud to say that. So next to that, this is my wrapping station. So let me explain. These are gifts that I need to give. So this was a Christmas present, and then this is a gift for my dad. So I have them on top of here so that when it is time to give a gift, or when I see these people again, I can hand them off. This is my add-ons binder. I put it in a binder so it's a lot easier to access, but basically it's just kind of all those little Christmas add-ons. So like these are like the name stickers. These are gift tags with no string, so I have to attach them myself. And then these are gift tags that have string. So there's all that is in there, and I put it in this pretty pink binder with this really pretty label on the side because it kind of just makes me happy. It makes me feel organized. And then I have all of my cards right here. So I have Christmas, birthday, thank you, and blank. And then in here I have, I think these are my baby shower bags. I have a few. I find them at the thrift store and they're super pretty and they're super, like, literally like 50 cents, so I always pick them up just in case, because, you know, I'm getting old. And then this one is all of my this is like my non-themed one. I'm pretty sure these are like either birthday and non-themed. I need to label these as well, but I haven't gotten there yet. These are all of, these are all my birthday ones. I have a lot more unnamed. Like, my birthday is probably like my 2nd biggest stash. These are all of my bows and my, what is this called? The tissue paper. So there's that. And then these ones are all, so I have 2. This is reusable Christmas and just reusable bags. And then these ones are all of my Christmas gift bags. And there's a lot more in there than it looks like. I have them folded over because I have a lot of big ones. So that's pretty much it for... I really hope I was able to inspire some of you to organize some of your spaces in either a similar way or to be creative and find your own solutions for your own clutter. But my biggest tip is to declutter. If you don't love it, if it doesn't spark you joy, and you don't actively always use it, what's your reason for keeping it? keep that in mind when you go through your space, and I'd love to hear how your organizing journey went if you followed along any of these tips or in this video.